Dear friend, if you're experiencing swollen knees and aching joints, I want you to know something important. You're not just getting older. Your body is losing collagen faster than you might realize, and it's starving for the one nutrient that could make all the difference in how you feel each day. By age 65, your body produces less than half the collagen it needs. Every step you take, every time you stand up from your chair, your joints feel that shortage. But here's what 99% of seniors don't realize. Simple, everyday foods can actually rebuild that lost collagen quickly and naturally. Recent studies have revealed something remarkable. Specific collagen-rich foods don't just slow down joint deterioration. They can actually reverse inflammation, improve your mobility, and reduce leg swelling by up to 47% in just 8 weeks. These aren't miracle claims. This is real science showing real results for people just like you. Today, I'm sharing the top 8 collagen-rich foods that fight swelling, rebuild worn joints, and restore strength to your legs. We've ranked them from good to absolutely incredible, and I encourage you to stay with me until the end. The number 1 food contains 61% more collagen than anything else on Earth. Yet most seniors have never even tried it. This remarkable food increased skin elasticity and joint fluid density by 63% in older adults, with visible improvements in under 30 days. Before we begin, I'd love to know your age if you're comfortable sharing. It helps us understand who we're helping and how we can serve you better. Now, let's explore these 8 powerful foods that could transform how your joints feel, starting with number 8. Number 8. Egg yolks. Egg yolks are a hidden gem for collagen production that most people completely overlook. While everyone talks about egg whites and their protein content, it's actually the golden yolks that contain the real joint-supporting nutrients your body craves. Inside each yolk, you'll find biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D. These nutrients don't provide collagen directly, but they give your body the tools it needs to manufacture its own collagen more efficiently. Think of them as the construction crew that builds and maintains your joint health from within. Sulfur plays a particularly crucial role. It helps create the amino acid chains that form collagen's basic structure. Without adequate sulfur, your body's collagen production slows to a crawl. This shows up as weakened ligaments, morning stiffness, and that frustrating leg swelling caused by fluids seeping through compromised tissues. A groundbreaking study from 2020 followed adults with mild joint stiffness who simply added whole eggs to their breakfast 5 days per week. After 10 weeks, these participants reported 22% less joint discomfort, particularly in their knees and lower back. Blood tests confirmed improved collagen synthesis and reduced inflammation markers. The most encouraging part, people over 60 saw the greatest improvements, likely because they started with the biggest deficiencies. To maximize these benefits, enjoy your egg yolks soft-cooked rather than scrambled until dry. Poached eggs, soft-boiled, or gently fried in olive oil, preserve those precious sulfur compounds. The yolk should still be slightly runny or just set, maintaining its full nutritional value. If cholesterol concerns you, recent research shows that for most seniors, whole eggs don't raise cholesterol to dangerous levels. In fact, they may boost HDL, the protective cholesterol that supports heart health. Don't underestimate the humble egg yolk. While it might not look like powerful medicine, it's quietly working to rebuild your joint structure, reduce morning stiffness, and help you move more comfortably throughout your day. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. These small green seeds pack an impressive punch when it comes to supporting your body's collagen production. Pumpkin seeds don't contain collagen themselves, but they're loaded with the exact minerals your body needs to create it. The magic lies in their zinc, magnesium, and manganese content. Zinc activates the enzymes that kickstart collagen synthesis. Magnesium keeps inflammation under control while supporting healthy muscle function. Manganese strengthens connective tissue and maintains its elasticity. Together, these minerals create the perfect environment for your body to rebuild joint linings, restore worn cartilage, and tighten loose ligaments that cause instability and swelling. Research published in 2021 revealed exciting results. Older adults who ate just 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks experienced 27% better joint flexibility and 19% less swelling in their lower legs and feet. Blood work showed clear improvements in collagen building blocks and reduced oxidative stress. Participants over 65 with existing stiffness saw the most dramatic changes. For best results, choose raw or dry roasted pumpkin seeds without added oils or salt. Here's a helpful tip. Soak them overnight in water with a pinch of sea salt. This simple step reduces phytic acid, a natural compound that can block mineral absorption. After soaking, pat them dry and lightly roast for a satisfying crunch. You can sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy a handful as an afternoon snack. Ground pumpkin seeds mix beautifully into oatmeal or yogurt, making the minerals even easier for your body to absorb. Pumpkin seeds work quietly but effectively. They protect the collagen you have while helping your body produce more. For anyone dealing with knee swelling or ankle discomfort, adding this simple seed to your daily routine could bring noticeable relief within weeks. Number 6. Bone in canned salmon. Canned salmon with bones might seem unusual, but it's one of the most powerful joint-supporting foods available in any grocery store. Those soft, edible bones are nutritional goldmines, packed with natural collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin that your joints desperately need. Many people remove the bones or buy boneless varieties, not realizing they're throwing away the most valuable part. These bones, softened during the canning process, are completely safe and easy to eat. They provide the exact building blocks your body uses to repair cartilage and strengthen the structural framework around your joints. A compelling study from 2020 followed seniors who ate bone and salmon 3 times weekly. After 10 weeks, they showed 32% better knee flexibility and 21% lower inflammation markers. The combination of collagen peptides and omega-3 fatty acids work together to reduce swelling while promoting new collagen formation at the cellular level. Participants found it easier to stand, walk, and climb stairs, especially those who'd struggled with long-term stiffness. Choose wild-caught canned salmon that specifically includes bones. Simply mash them with a fork right into the salmon meat. They blend in completely and add a slightly richer texture. Mix this nutrient-dense fish into salads, spread it on whole-grain toast with avocado, or stir it into pasta with olive oil and fresh herbs. The beauty of bone-in salmon is its convenience. It's affordable, shelf-stable, and requires no cooking. You're getting bioavailable collagen in its most natural form, along with anti-inflammatory omega-3s that enhance absorption and effectiveness. If stiff knees and sore ankles are slowing you down, bone-in salmon offers real relief without supplements or complicated preparations. One can could be the start of more comfortable movement. Number 5. Chicken skin. For decades, we've been told to remove chicken skin, but when it comes to joint health for seniors, that advice might be backwards. Chicken skin contains type 2 collagen, the exact same type found in your joint cartilage and ligaments. When you eat chicken skin, you're giving your body the precise raw materials it needs to repair joint linings, rebuild cushioning tissue, and calm the inflammation that causes swelling and stiffness. For anyone over 60 dealing with joint discomfort, this isn't just helpful, it's transformative. Research, published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences, studied adults over 55 who consumed type 2 collagen from poultry sources daily. Within 12 weeks, they experienced 40% better joint comfort and 33% less stiffness. Their knees moved more smoothly, ankle swelling decreased, and imaging showed reduced cartilage breakdown. These improvements came from real food, not expensive supplements. The key is cooking chicken skin properly. Slow roasting, baking, or simmering in broth preserves the collagen content without creating harmful compounds. Skip the deep fryer, which can oxidize fats and trigger inflammation. Choose bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs or drumsticks for the best combination of flavor and nutrition. Try shredding skin on rotisserie chicken into soups, keeping the skin on roasted chicken breasts, or enjoying crispy skinned chicken thighs baked with herbs. The texture might feel different if you've been avoiding it, but your joints will thank you. Chicken skin provides targeted support for the joints that trouble seniors most: knees, hips, and ankles. It's readily available, affordable, and easy to incorporate into meals you're already making. That piece of skin you've been discarding could be the key to walking more comfortably tomorrow. Number 4. Gelatin. Gelatin is essentially pre-digested collagen, making it one of the most absorbable forms of joint support you can consume. Extracted from bones and connective tissue through slow cooking, gelatin delivers collagen in a form your body can use immediately. For seniors with weakened digestion or chronic leg swelling, gelatin offers rapid, effective relief. It bypasses the complex breakdown process required by tougher proteins, delivering joint-supporting nutrients directly where they're needed most. A 2018 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition produced remarkable results. Older adults with joint pain who took gelatin daily showed 37% better joint mobility and 27% less knee and ankle inflammation after just 6 weeks. MRI scans revealed something extraordinary. Early signs of cartilage regeneration, typically only seen after surgical intervention. Many participants noticed improvements within the first 2 weeks. Choose unflavored, grass-fed gelatin powder without additives or sweeteners. Stir 1 tablespoon into warm water, tea, or bone broth until completely dissolved. You can also use it to make healthy gummies with pure fruit juice or add it to soups and stews as a thickener that doubles as joint medicine. Consistency matters more than quantity. A small daily dose supports long-term joint improvement and swelling reduction. Gelatin strengthens not just cartilage, but also the tendons and ligaments that stabilize your entire leg structure. For seniors experiencing leg puffiness, burning sensations after walking, or general joint fatigue, gelatin provides efficient collagen delivery without dietary upheaval. 1 warm cup each morning could restore the smooth, comfortable movement you've been missing. Number 3. Sardines with skin and bones. Sardines are collagen powerhouses disguised as tiny fish. When eaten whole with skin and bones, they deliver one of the most concentrated doses of joint-supporting nutrition available anywhere. Those soft bones contain type 1 collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and natural gelatin. The skin adds elastin and omega-3 fatty acids. Together, these components reduce joint inflammation while actively stimulating repair of damaged connective tissue. This makes sardines particularly effective for seniors battling leg swelling, morning stiffness, and joints that throb after activity. 2022 research in nutrients tracked seniors who added 3 servings of whole sardines weekly to their diets. By week 8, they experienced 29% less joint pain, 25% reduced swelling around knees and ankles, and measurably improved collagen production. Effects were strongest in people over 65 with early arthritis signs, proving sardines offer real solutions for age-related joint issues. Select canned sardines in water or olive oil, avoiding those packed in inflammatory seed oils. Ensure bones and skin remain intact, as these contain the highest collagen concentrations. Mash them onto avocado toast, toss into green salads with lemon, or mix into pasta with garlic and herbs. If the taste seems strong initially, blend sardines with Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and herbs for a milder spread. Or add them to tomato sauce where their flavor mellows while nutrition remains intact. Sardines don't just reduce inflammation. They actively rebuild what aging has worn away. These small fish deliver maximum joint protection without pills, powders, or complicated preparations. Your knees might feel the difference within weeks. Number 2. Bone broth. Bone broth represents liquid collagen therapy in its purest form. When bones simmer for extended periods, they release gelatin, type 1 and type 2 collagen, glycine, proline, and dozens of joint-repairing compounds that directly address inflammation, stiffness, and tissue breakdown. For seniors struggling with chronic leg swelling or creaky knees, bone broth provides the fastest absorbing collagen support available from food. It doesn't just mask symptoms, it nourishes and rebuilds the tissue matrix holding your joints together. A 2021 study in Clinical Interventions in Aging followed seniors drinking 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily. After 12 weeks, they experienced 44% less joint swelling and 38% better mobility scores. Ultrasound imaging confirmed increased cartilage thickness in knee joints, proving genuine internal healing. Unlike processed collagen powders, bone broth contains all the cofactors necessary for optimal absorption and utilization. Make your own using bones rich in connective tissue, chicken backs, turkey necks, or beef knuckles. Simmer for 12 to 24 hours with onions, garlic, apple cider vinegar, and herbs. The vinegar extracts minerals from bones into the liquid. If homemade isn't feasible, choose refrigerated or frozen broths without additives. Sip it warm like tea, use it for cooking grains, or as a base for soups and stews. Every cup delivers hydration, minerals, and collagen simultaneously. Bone broth addresses everything joints need: hydration, cushioning, flexibility, and structural support. For seniors whose knees grind or ankles swell by evening, daily bone broth can mean the difference between struggling through each day or walking with renewed confidence. Number 1. Beef tendons. Beef tendons stand alone as nature's most concentrated collagen source. Composed almost entirely of type 1 collagen, they contain the exact protein structure found in your ligaments, skin, and bones. When properly prepared, tendons release powerful peptides and gelatin that directly target and rebuild deteriorating connective tissues. For seniors battling chronic stiffness or fluid retention in lower legs, tendon collagen delivers results no supplement can match. A 2022 clinical trial in the Journal of Functional Foods studied participants over 60 who ate collagen-rich tendon stew 3 times weekly. Results were extraordinary: 63% improvement in joint fluid density, 41% reduction in knee stiffness, and significantly enhanced walking stability. MRI imaging confirmed actual regeneration of soft tissue cushioning around major joints. Most remarkable, participants noticed improvements within 30 days. Preparing beef tendons requires patience but rewards you richly. Simmer them in seasoned broth for 8 to 12 hours until they transform into soft, jelly-like pieces. Season with ginger, garlic, and rice vinegar to enhance both flavor and digestibility. Once tender, chop them into soups, stews, or Asian-style noodle bowls. If you're new to tendons, start with small amounts mixed into familiar dishes. Their mild flavor absorbs surrounding seasonings while delivering unmatched collagen content. Beef tendons rebuild what time erodes. They restore knee cushioning, strengthen ankle stability, and refill hip padding that prevents grinding. For seniors experiencing pain while walking, climbing stairs, or standing, this single food offers the most direct path back to comfortable movement. It's not glamorous or trendy, but it's the most powerful collagen delivery system nature provides. These 8 foods represent real, proven solutions for joint pain, swelling, and stiffness. No expensive supplements, no false promises, just genuine nutrition that helps your body heal itself. Remember, your body wants to repair and maintain healthy joints. It simply needs the right building blocks to do so. Start with 1 or 2 foods that appeal to you most. Add them consistently to your meals and give your body time to respond. Which food will you try first? Your joints are waiting for the nourishment they need, and it's never too late to start feeling better. Thank you for taking this journey with me today. Your commitment to improving your health is admirable, and I believe these foods can make a real difference in how you feel each day. Here's to stronger joints, less swelling, and more comfortable movement in the days ahead. You deserve to enjoy every step you take.